It's cat news. Cat news. It's Robyn Taylor's cat news.
We're making a new video starring Noodles the cat. Oops, I need some more light. Okay, take two. We're making a new video starring Noodles the cat. Noodles the cat is famous for his hats. He was fedorable with a fedora. He was not very happy with his winter knit cap. He made a fine Santa Claus, C-L-A-W-S, and now he's kind of a cowboy cat. Howdy, partner Noodles. How's it going? That's some hat you got there. You're looking good. Can I lift your hat since you're with a lady partner? It's Noodles, the cat in the hat. Noodles loves his new hat. It makes him feel big and important. 1, 2, 3. It's Noodles! And the hat goes back on. Okay, looks like Noodles has had enough of this game. Thanks for playing, Noodles. See you later. Cut!